So in this video, let's take a look at how you can change Google Calendar language on your iPhone. So let's just get started. At first, you need to make sure that you have the Google Calendar app installed, but when you do, open up the main settings app and scroll directly and entirely to the bottom. There is the apps section, so just click on it and scroll through the list of apps until you find the Google Calendar. It's not going to be part of the C right there because you can find calendar, but that's the one from Apple. But instead, you need to find the G so you can locate the Google apps. So we've got so many of them right here, and Google Calendar, of course, is available. Now, some options, of course, but at the bottom or entirely part of this list here is the language option. So for me, it is set to English, but I can choose it to be something else, right? I can make it like a German or any of the suggested languages here. But if I don't use the language, or if it's not part of the suggested, I can go ahead and scroll through the other languages, which are many of them right below. So let's say I'm going to pick Spanish right there, so you can see that the language is Spanish for my Google Calendar. And if I open it up and locate it like that, you're gonna notice that it's all in Spanish, right? So obviously all of the things and all of the titles and like names of the months and everything, right? It's in the Spanish language. Keep in mind that this doesn't affect the holidays or the calendars that you are subscribing to. It only changes the UI language and everything around it. So that's going to be about it. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you in the future uploads.